Hi guys, welcome to the video to introduce you my Google Form instant notification workflow on N8N. So the goal of this workflow is very simple. It's if you're a PM or someone who is a lot of reached to ask a question and sometimes you don't have the time because you have meetings, etc. So what I did is I created a workflow that will gather all of the request you will receive instead of people just pinging you and stopping you in everything you are doing. So what do you need? You need a Google account, a Google form, a Google sheet linked to the form. So how it works? So first of all, you will have a workflow trigger and data gathering. So the workflow will trigger automatically as soon as a new request is sent. So I will show you the details later. So how to set up it? You need to set up a Google form and link it to a Google Sheet. Then you will link the Google Sheet to this workflow. And then once you receive a new, I would say, answer to the form, which will be a new request, a code will be, a message code will be done, and then it will be summed up in an email that it will be sent to you and you will receive a notification. Okay, you just receive a new request. This is a request. So now I'm going to show you to be more easy. So you need to have a form result on the Google Sheet. So this is from my previous test. This is all the answer from the form. Now we will do it in live. Not this one, sorry. So email, yeah, you ask to register the email so you know who contacts you. Press virtual request. Hello, I have a request. We sent. And now we will see if it's work. We will check our email. So the trigger is every 1 minute. So while we are waiting, maybe I will show you the workflow. Yeah, so let's see the workflow. Trigger when a row is added. So you change the URL of your document, the ID of your sheet. Trigger on row added. So this is normal. The message code is where it's generate your email. You just got a question received, and then with the email address, the request which has been written, and then the email. So it will be sent to you. You receive just a request and with the JSON, the HTML file. So now we should have received the answer. All right, from email, hello, I have a request, and that's it. Bye bye.